Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text from Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on a screen, you can see options like Home, Create and Projects. Go ahead and tap on Create, then select Edit Photo from the options given on a screen. Now select the photo that you want to add text to. Once you do that, you can see there's options called Canvas, Import, Text, Stickers, Generate, Draw, etc. Select Text, then once you tap on Text, go ahead and choose your font, color, stroke, shadow, spacing, blending, etc. Just tap on Edit and type in whatever you want to type, then tap on Done. You can adjust the text by using two fingers. Well, you can change the color as well. Once you do that, you'll be able to add text. And guys, that's it. That's how you add text using Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.